My dear students, good morning to all of you. Today we are meeting in this online class, hoping we will meet soon in the offline class after 15 days. As per the government decision, the decision will come in the last week of July, I think, and after this government decision, we all will be there in the offline class to discuss different topics and to sort out other problems which you will have to face or which you have already faced in the online classes. So today, this is the second part of the topic subject verb agreement, because in the earlier class I have given the complete description about subject verb agreement, that how subject is treated with verb and which of the verb will be suitable with which of the subject. Regarding this topic, many rules have already been mentioned, and today we will discuss some more rules regarding the implementation of verb with the different subjects. So in the earlier class, I have discussed about 11 rules, and now today I am going to discuss the rule number 12. So what is the rule number 12? Just you see here. This is rule number 12. When the plural noun is a proper name or some single object or some collective unit, it must be followed by a singular verb. What does it mean? Just to understand through the example given here. Here, the United Nations. This United Nations, really this one is plural, because many nations have become united. More than one nations or many nations have become united, and all these nations stand for single faculty, for single thing. So the United Nations really plural, because here is the group of nations, but this is, or it denotes the single one, and hence singular verb is used here. Like the United Nations is not an effective body for world peace. You can take second example, like United States of America. The USA is a rich state. So the USA, United States of America, means this many states are combined together, are collectively joined. So definitely the states are the plural number, plural nouns, but they are collectively joined, so it is treated as singular number. And so if you would like to use verb, then singular verb will be used with United States. So the United States, the USA is a rich country. Very similarly, United Kingdom means many states are there, and after combining all the states, it has become United Kingdom. So United Kingdom denotes the very singular number, singular noun, and hence this one will also take their singular verb. Like the United Kingdom is a very powerful country. So in this way, when the things were collectively joined, and when it will denote the singular noun, then definitely singular verb will be used with it. Then after rule number 13. In rule number 13, noun like glasses. Glasses I mean spectacles. Pants, trousers, shoes, people, police, scissors, always take plural verbs. Among all these, pants, two parts of the pant, that is pants, all they are plural. People, it appears there because S is not added, but it is already treated as plural. Here police, already treated as plural. Scissors, already treated as plural. Trousers, already treated as plural. So when you will use your shoes are old. Your trousers are tattered. People are moving on the road. Pants are new. The police have arrested the thief. Scissors are sharp. So in this way, all they are treated as plural number. But one thing you must remember, when a pair of branded shoes, when the two shoes are collected in a pair, or similar, a article is used before, a pair, this has become singular. When the shoes have become singular, when a pair is used before this. A pair of branded shoes is quite expensive. Here it is, because the shoes has been changed into a pair. Like a set of pants, this A is used, then a set of pants is new. A set of trousers is old. In this way, when a pair of a is used, then definitely this one will become singular, and in that proper condition, singular verb will be used with it. Now, rule number 14. Just I will discuss in the next video.